My clutch here is starting to slip, so I think I'm going to take that apart. I gotta take the chain off first, take the bell off and clean the inside. She's starting to slip a lot and causing problems, so let's start taking her apart. Pop the master link off. There. Put that aside. Set that aside. Alright, now we have the clutch. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the bolt off. Let's see. The trick is to have a screwdriver. And what you do on the other side, here where the starter is, put it in there like that, so you can see. That way you can get the bolt off. You hold that and then that bolt comes right off. This off and this off. That's your two bolts. Put that aside so don't lose it. Alright, now the main thing is getting this right here off, and you need a pair of pliers to do that. Try to do it with these one-handed. Left-handed at that. Pull that aside just like that. Comes right off. That's what holds the clutch on. Put that aside. Alright, here's the big unveil right here. That's the inside of the clutch. And that is the clutch. So now, and be sure don't lose that. That goes right there. That's like a spacer. But yeah, that's the clutch. It's a little dirty. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to go on the inside and just sand it. That way it cleans it, makes a really good surface, roughed up surface so it doesn't slip anymore. So, okay. I've done just a little bit of sanding. I don't know if you can see right there at the bottom. Look, all that the dirt and the just oil and everything else in there. But that's what you want to get off, because that's what's causing the slipping problems. And I was looking at the clutch right here. You can see where all the dirt and buildups onto it. That's what's causing my slipping. I'm gonna turn it around. Right there, you can see a little bit onto it. So I'm gonna take the sounding pad. I want to go over this. I've already done the clutch belt itself, so I'll be back. Alright, got her fully clean. I pulled it off the motor. It just slides on there. There's a keyway right there, and that just slides into here, and you just pull this out. But anyways, I sanded it, got it clean, sand it. And then I got the bell clean. No more dirt. My teeth are wearing down. Check that out. I'm expecting any one of these teeth to snap at any time. That one mighty thin. But now I want to take a paper towel. I'm going to clean this up, and then I'm going to put it all back together. Alright, everything looks good. Put the clutch back on. This keyway, right? Alright. Can't forget the ring, spacer, ring, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna clean the inside real quick. Alright, looks good. And that slides over. We got the spacer on it. So now we are going to put this back on. And I'll be back in a second. Alright, we got that on. A little wobble, that's okay. That's on tight. Put this back on there. Put the bolt back on. And that's pretty much it. We're going to put the chain back on and be ready to ride. Alright, and I have the chain on. I don't have the master link done, but it's right there. I gotta put the piece on there and then the little piece that goes over it. But this is what you have to loosen before you can even do all this. This is the tensioner. Loosen it all the way back, slides up, because as you can tell, it's got a lot of slack. It would pop that and that'd be bad. So we're gonna put the master link together, and it's just a little piece like this. It slides over like that. This is the piece that holds your chain together. I'm trying to do this one-handed, but we'll try. Yeah, we'll get I'm shaking the camera. No. And I'll be back. I'm gonna put. And we have the master link on there. So all we have to do is get our tensioner right. So all you gotta do is just can't see. Tighten this down. You don't want it so tight, but you want it where it won't jump the track. So we're just going to keep on. Or you can move the motor forward, and there's a plate underneath where you can move the motor forward. But I've done that a couple times. I even took a couple links out. So we're going to keep right on. Let's see, probably keep right on. Alright, now I'm gonna go turn the camera off and tighten these two bolts, and we're gonna check the chain. And we're done. I got this is tightened up. There's a little bit of slack into it here, but we don't want too much, binding onto the clutch. We want to have it when it's going forward, it doesn't bind up, and that can make your clutch wear out even faster. So there it is. That is cleaning the clutch. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.